Now, I want to tell you which system of accounting is adopted by non-trading organization. Not-for-profit organization are also called non-trading organization. Generally, not-for-profit organizations are adopted the case system of accounting. Generally, not-for-profit organization adopted the case system of accounting. Under this system, main book is cash book in which all cash transactions are recorded. Then at the end of accounting year, for know the financial result, following accounts will be prepared by not-for-profit organization. Number 1, receipts and payment account. Number 2, income and expenditure account. Number 3, balance sheet. These are also called financial statements. Okay. Now our next topic is receipts and payment account. What is receipts and payment account? Receipts and payment account is a summary of cash book in which all cash transactions are recorded. All cash receipts are recorded in the debit side of this account and all cash payments are recorded in the credit side of this account, including cash and bank balance. Now we can say, what is receipts and payment account? Receipts and payment account is a summary of cash book. It has two sides. Left hand side is called receipts. Receipts are recorded in debit side. Right hand side is called payments. Payments are recorded in the credit side. At the end of account, difference will be found between debit and credit, and this difference is called balance of cash or bank. Okay. Now, how to prepare the receipts and payment account? Methods for preparation of receipts and payment account. Firstly, write the name of institutions. Then main head of accounts. Which account is to be prepared? Receipts and payments account. Then period. Generally, receipts and payment account is prepared for the whole year, for the year ended. Now, receipts and payment account is divided in two sides. Left hand side is called debit side, right hand side is called credit side. Now draw the column for accounts. Receipts and payment account is divided in two sides. Left hand side is called receipts and right hand side is called payments. Now, which items are appear in the debit side? Debit side are recorded receipts. First item of this account is to balance BD. Balance BD including cash or bank. Then other receipts to subscription to membership fee. Next, donations. Next, entrance fee. Next, sale of old papers. Next, interest received. These items are recorded in the debit side. Other receipts. Other receipts like receipt from entertainment, receipt from lectures. Now credit side. Credit side is called payment side. Payment side we can write salary paid, rent paid, insurance paid, office expenses paid, general expenses paid, purchase of furniture, कंपल्सरी नहीं है फर्नीचर ही हो, फर्नीचर इज ए असेट्स. अदर एग्जांपल परचेस ऑफ बिल्डिंग, परचेस ऑफ बुक्स, परचेस ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स इक्विपमेंट. नेक्स्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट. Now, at the end of this account, we can find the balance. Balance means cash or bank. After the find out balance, close the account. After then, grand total. This is the format of receipts and payment account.